All right, one down. So I have those calipers here for the Supra, but as you see, it was painted with spray paint, and anything I do here, it scratches. So I have a new color that I want to do, and I'm tempted by this yellow or this greenish. I also thought about this blue, but I think this yellow so far is winning. The green is pretty cool, but might be my valve cover, and this is gonna be my calipers. So first thing, those little clips here, they are pretty simple. You got the joint, you just pull them out a little bit, and then they come out. There is also this rubber, piece of rubber here, and we're gonna do the same thing on the 4 pistons. So this one you can't see, but I just put the screwdriver a little bit. If you have those pickers, sometimes it's better. Now there's a cylinder in here, and there's a little lip on top of the cylinder, like this one. And we're gonna put the screwdriver very gently here and just pry it up, and we're not gonna force. One screwdriver here, put in the hole, okay, and then another one on the opposite side, put in the hole, put some pressure, and let it do its thing. See, it is coming out, but if you do just one side, it's not gonna work. So you need both sides. Sometimes it works like this. Look, not even using one finger, and you gotta push here, pry, there you go, and it's out. This is one way to do it. Look at that. So another way to do it is you can take those caps out of here. You put a air compressor, push with the air compressor. The air compressor is going to push the cylinders out. We don't have it here. We're going to use these screwdrivers, but main thing is be gentle and do not push hard. So now there is a O-ring in here. This screwdriver is not sharp, so I'm gonna try and do my best here to go right on the side. It works, and then flip it up, and then done. And of course there are 4. I'm trying my best here. Yep, it works. There you go. So the main thing is, when you're powder coating something, you need to mask some parts of this, right? The main ones are the bolt holes, because then you want the bolts to go straight. You don't want the bolts to get stuck because it's full of paint in there. The other one is the lines where the brake fluid goes to. So we gotta have a little cap in here. There's another one right there, and I would just need to mask those 2 parts in here and those 2 guys. I'm gonna send to my machine shop, actually, and it's gonna sandblast both, and then I'm gonna send to a place that's going to powder coat. So I'm voting on that one. And that's pretty much it. No brakes in 2022, just 5th gear, and let's go without stopping. Thank you guys for the support. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles.